Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This one's gonna be a little bit different today. It's not gonna be cooking. We are in the process of moving around our house, or well, our living room, to set up for Christmas. So in a moment, I'll show you kind of what's going on, and you can see how everything goes. Well guys, as you can see, everything's just kind of everywhere. So this is the mess that we're starting with, and I'll show you what it looks like in a little bit. Well guys, as you can see, we are moving things around, and as we go, we're washing the walls, we're washing the floor. Everything's getting done one step at a time. All this so that we can fit in a Christmas tree. Well guys, excuse Mike sitting over here. He is trying to figure out the TV now that we have to unhook it and hook it back up. That big empty spot that you see over there, that's where the Christmas tree is gonna go. And then this is one of the couches here that we have set up that used to be along the wall where the TV is, right?
What?
Yes, this couch was along the TV wall.
Yeah.
And then this couch that Mike is sitting on was the one that was in front of window. So that's kind of how it kind of sucks when you have such a small living room, but you know, it works. We're going to make this work, and who knows, maybe even after Christmas, we might end up liking it and keep it. So this is the way it looks right now. And like I said, the Christmas tree will be going in that corner. We are looking at getting a few little tiny things to put on that TV stand, because I think that would look kind of nice and decorate it. Mike wants to put something up here, but that fan will have to go, but it's kind of holding our camera there. So we might have to move that a little bit, but we'll figure that out. But all in all, this is kind of how it is right now. Still much more cleaning to do before we can even hook anything up. But yeah, it's coming along. So guys, as you can see, everything's in a box on the floor. We have a problem. We're missing a leg. So no, we can't set up the tree, but we're gonna figure some things out. So stay tuned and we'll show you what we can actually accomplish today. Well guys, as you can see, we have put up our new tree. It was the one that we looked at Walmart. We ended up getting a better deal than we thought we were going to, but there is our tree. It is a pre-lit tree. We plugged it in to make sure it all worked. So everything is good on it. Now it's time to start decorating, and you'll see what we do. Well guys, so I'm starting to put on these bulbs, just trying to even them out, because I'm gonna put some other ones on too that are a little bit more silver. So I'm just trying to make it all balanced. So bear with me, we'll see how this goes. Might put those ones up there. Well guys, as you can see, we are starting to get things on here. I'm trying to space them out so that it looks even. Obviously, I'm not going to the very back of the tree because no one's going to see it against the wall. Although, I think next year, we'll probably end up doing that. But I think it's coming along pretty good. I might have to go and get a few more little things like down the road for the tree. Some kind of white garland or something to kind of wrap in here. But I think it's looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Well guys, as you can see, I found some little miniature decorations to put on this little mini tree here and that little mini tree there. We've got the big tree all decorated. Now I might add like some ribbon or something in there just to finish it, but I think everything is looking pretty good. We've got the same old stuff up there. Somehow I'm gonna make that look better up there at some point, probably not this year. On the TV stand, we added a little tiny bit there, and I think that looks pretty nice. The goal is to have something there year round. just to kind of make it look a little bit more homey-ish, I guess. Probably not this year, but eventually we'll be putting stuff up there. We do have a little Noel sign up top. I'm not sure if we're going to put anything else up there this year. It's probably going to be next year. And I think that's kind of where we're at right now. And I think everything's starting to look really nice. Next step is going to be holiday baking. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed our little mini decorating session here. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.